Hi everyone, and welcome back to HappinessSparkles. Where has the last month gone? I have no idea, but I went to the mailbox yesterday and what was there but my Ipsy bag. So it is a unbagging of my Ipsy today, and I do this in collaboration with my gorgeous friend Denise, and I will link her channel down below. I will insert a picture. You can go and check out and see what she got. So we've started doing this new series of opening our Ipsy bags together. We don't open them beforehand, and see what we get, because each of us have a different profile on our Ipsy website, and we mark down what we like, what our preferences are. Mine is mostly skincare, so I tend to get a little bit more skincare, maybe lipstick, things like that. And Denise, she gets more makeup because she's really into makeup. So it's really nice to see what they if they actually even pay attention to our profiles or not. I also get contacted once a month to see if I want to pick something, and I usually do, because me, I like to know ahead of time what I'm getting, whereas Denise, she likes the surprise, so it's kind of fun. It's really fun. So I'm going to open it today, and I'm going to share with you what I got. I also got an add-on this month because it was too good of a deal to pass up. Do you hear what are they called? What are they called? Those things that make that loud noise. They always come out in August and only in the extreme heat, and I'm actually sweating right now. I don't have any makeup or foundation on. I only have lipstick on, but I'm actually sweating. I can feel the sweat dripping down my head. It's about 30 degrees out here right now, which is probably over 90, and the humidity is really high. August is challenging. There they are, Shiseidos, is that what they're called? August is actually quite challenging for me because of the pollen in the air and my allergies. So, but I wanted to do this outside because it's just too hot to put makeup on today, and I couldn't be bothered setting up the lighting, to be quite honest. It takes me some time to set up the lighting downstairs, so you know what, I said let's do it outside, and I'm excited to open this. Also, there's an add-on in here, as I said. I just couldn't pass it up, so get on with it, Francis, hurry up. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. I want to show you my add-on. Okay, so right off the bat, here we have my add-on, which is my Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. This is 50 mils or 1.7 fluid ounces. I paid $18 for this, US. This is worth $79 US, and over here in Canada, it's over $100. So it ended up costing me, I think, because I paid a couple extra dollars for shipping, plus the exchange. I'll write it down here how much it cost me. I think it was around $25, $28, something like that. But wow, is this ever worth it? This stuff is amazing. It's a good size. A sample of this here in Sephora, I believe it's in Sephora or Shoppers Drug Mart, I'm not sure which, but a sample of this, which is a little tiny one, I think it's like 15 mil, is almost $20. So this was a good deal. It was a good investment. This will last me for months. It only takes a tiny little bit. You only use it maybe once or twice a week, and it just leaves your skin feeling like silk or satin. So that was my add-on, and I can't wait to use that tomorrow in the shower. I use it in the shower in the morning. So let's get into what we have here. Okay, let's get rid of that. This is the Ipsy bag this month. I was super excited about that. Look at this beautiful little bag. Look, it's actually almost looks like a little clutch. It's got the green inside, like green nylon lining. All my products are in there. And let's see if they gave me a card with the description and the cost this month. It'll be interesting because I didn't get it last month. So no, they didn't. No, they didn't send an itemized. They must have changed their policies, because this is not an itemized description of all of the items I got. So it just says 5 notes to transport your senses. Marseille, Tuscany, India, Hawaii, and Bali. So let's start off. Okay, so first of all, something has leaked in the bag, and I think it might very well be the lip gloss. I'm not sure, but it's all over everything. So let's go ahead and start with the one I picked for the month, and it is called Sophia and Mabel, and it's a hydrating lip oil, and I think it's the oil that may possibly have leaked out. Let's open her up. Everything's all sticky and greasy now, so let's see if it's this or not. No, it's not this. Huh. Let's have a look at it. Doesn't have a smell. And it's just a lip oil. I already have lipstick on, so let's see how it looks. What do you think? That's nice. That's what I picked, and it's just oily. It's not sticky. It feels nice. Yeah, that feels nice. That feels nice. So that was what I picked, and if I can find the price of it, I will link the price up here somewhere. Next thing is brow gel clear, and it's covered in oil as well, and it's TYNT. I haven't used this product before, so let's have a look and see if that's what's leaked. I don't think so. Hang on, let's open it. My hands are all greasy now. Oh, this is nice. This will hold my eyebrows down. Let's see. Can't really see it, but yeah, ooh, yeah, that is very nice. I think I'm going to like that. Brow gel clear from TYNT, and the size of that is 2.5 mils. So that's a good size. It is a good size. Okay, that's next. The little bag is covered in a grease as well, so that's kind of sad, but anyway, let's keep moving. The next item is it's by It Cosmetics, and it's Confidence in a Gel Lotion, Hydrate, Plumping Skin, Transforming, Weightless Moisturizer. And the size is 5 mil. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Everything is so oily. Let's see how that looks. And there's barely anything in it. Oh wow, there's nothing in it. Look, it's empty. Practically empty. And it's just an oil. That's disappointing, look. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. There's nothing in it. That was disappointing. Look, it's empty. That has leaked out. That's what leaked out. It's got a hole in it. Oh, it's got a hole in it. That's our culprit. It's very oily. So I am gonna have to use that up right away. That's disappointing. I might just message them and tell them that this leaked out, and they might send me another one. Or they might not, but that's what leaked, and it's all over everything. So that's super disappointing. Set that over there. Okay, next item is a Reeler, Reeler, R-E-A-L-H-E-R. I am amazing. I am amazing. And that is, what is it? It is a 24-hour eyeliner. Yeah, I don't use liquid eyeliner, if it is a liquid eyeliner, which I think it might be. This, oh, it's very nice. Nice little packaging. See, can you see that? Let's open her up and see what she looks like. Oh, I'm still bummed about the moisturizer. I can't open anything. Okay. Oh, okay, so it is, let's see how that is. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. Bit thick, but I'll give it a try. It's very nice. I'll link the price above as well. Nice for travel. Yeah, nice for travel. Or I can give it away to my daughter-in-law. That would work also. And last but not least is, guess what? A perfume. The perfume is Kenzie, So Pretty. It is a 10 ml or a 0.34 fluid ounce, so that's a good size for perfume if the smell is good. And let's see, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Oh, and there is a 30% off all Kenzie fragrances if I use this code. Okay, so 30% off. And that is, looks like a marker, doesn't it? Yeah, that's what it looks like. All right, so let's spray it on and see what it smells like. I have perfume on, so let's spray it on my hand. It's very nice. I will look it up and I will tell you what the notes are, but let's just have a smell at it and I'll tell you what I think is in it. It's floral, very fresh. Smells a little bit like neroli or something like that. There's smells like honey. Something sweet in there, like honey. It smells like something else I know. I'm not sure what it is. It's very pleasant. It's fruity and floral with what smells like a little bit of honey, or I don't think there's vanilla in it. Maybe tonka bean? Not sure, but anyway, it's very nice, and I will link the notes up here on the screen somewhere. And yeah, that was the last thing. Now this was a lovely, lovely bag, with the exception that this leaked out all over the place. And that was the oil-free hydro plumping skin transforming weightless moisturizer, which I was really excited. And I think there may just be enough left in it for me to give it one application or two. So I will give it a try, and I'm gonna send them a little email and explain to them what happened, and that it is actually all over the inside of the bag. So there we go, guys. Sorry this was a bit of a disappointment, but I'm completely covered in grease now. I'll just rub it all in, and yeah, that was the exciting Ipsy unboxing. Hopefully Denise's is better than that. I'll try and look up all the notes, and I'm just checking the Kenzie perfume again. It's extremely generic. It's like a pretty fragrance, but it's a floral summery fragrance with something sweet in there. It's nothing groundbreaking, but it's a pretty fragrance, and I'm sure I'll use it up or I'll give it to one of the girls. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you on the next video. And as I always say, don't let anyone ever dull your sparkle.